In today's how-to video, we will show the use and some of the features of the PAL Method Composer software. The PMC is the software to write and directly test methods created for your PAL system. We start by opening the software. A free trial version is available on palsystem.com. Once open, you are asked to specify the PAL system configuration you are working with. We will connect to the system online to execute the methods directly. Now you can review the configuration in the Modules pane on the right side. Since we are connected online to the PAL system, we will now save our current configuration to be able to write new methods offline. You can adjust your windows freely and change the order to your liking. Here, we added the module top view to get a visualization of the configuration in addition to the Modules pane. After reviewing the basics of the PMC, we will now create a short method and execute it. Let's start by picking the right tool to transport liquids from A to B. We are dragging the Use Tool step into our method and pick the liquid syringe one. Now we can add the next step to transport a liquid. We will scroll to the liquid handling steps and add the step to our method. Here, we have to specify the source index, and volume we want to transfer. You will notice a red frame around the step if any needed details are not filled out. The validation of a method is done continuously. After specifying from where we got the liquid, we will now add the step to dispense the liquid in another vial. Again, we will add the details in the steps drop-down fields. While we did succeed with our general task, we forgot a crucial detail. We need to add cleaning steps. The cleaning and priming of tools are essential in method creation to avoid carryover and contamination. After adding the cleaning steps, let's execute the method and try it out. For that, click on the Run button at the top taskbar. Since we are connected online, the robot will initiate the method directly. Before pressing the Execute button, make sure that you set up all necessary consumables and reservoirs to perform the method. Now you can visually inspect that the robot is executing your method perfectly. For more complex methods, you can overlap different aspects that take more time in a method, for example an agitator step. For that, you will find an overlap option in the top taskbar where you can specify the overlapping. A set of steps will then be visible for you to adjust in your method. If you notice aspects in the current method that need adjustment, you can change additional parameters beyond the default preset values in all the steps. To do so, we will now look at how to adjust additional parameters. In the Method pane, click on a step and further on More. Here, you can edit additional parameters that were preset. To change a value, unclick the box and edit the value. Congratulations, you just learned the basics to build and execute methods on your PAL system. For more information, visit our webpage, the Content Hub, or message us directly.